Welcome back to Let's Talk English Conversation LTEC. Hi, hello, how are you? This is Gulam Sarwar Shumar. You're watching me on my YouTube video. Today we have a very special guest in our video. He is the special one. Why he is the special one, you'll understand after watching this video. So I'm requesting all of you to watch this video from first to last. Don't skip for a single second if you want to learn something from this video, because it's going to be very interesting today with Mr. Zulfikar Ali. So today our special guest is a Labor Inspector General of Dive Ministry Labor and Employment, Mr. Zulfikar Ali. So today, by this special guest, we will learn much more things, especially why and how, by the way, he has learned English after coming from a different age, different way. So, Mr. Zulfikar Ali, how are you?
I am well, and you?
Yes, sir, I'm very much well after watching you right this moment, because today this is my special day, sir. I'm with you on my conversation, especially on my video. So I have already introduced you in a short version. So if you want to introduce yourself with my audience of LTEC, so please identify yourself.
Yeah. Thanks, Gulam Sarwar Shuman. I am originally come from Nilphamari, Juhli to be more exact, and now I live in Dinajpur, Khetipra to be more exact. You already mentioned I work for Department of Inspection for Factory and Establishment as an inspector.
Yeah. So, sir, my first question is, everybody wants to know from you that you are a student of Rajshahi University by the discipline of statistics. So you have completed your master's degree, then you have joined your service as a government employee, as a government officer in labor inspection sector, Department of Inspection for Factories and Establishment under Ministry Labor and Employment. So how do you feel after joining this kind of department for your country?
Yeah, here I feel better. For the reason is that here a huge opportunity to work the common people in our country. You know, we visit the factory and establishment, huge visit and factory, a huge factory and establishment we visit every day. Here we get the opportunity to work the common people. It is I proud also.
Thank you very much. So we have already been informed, and my audience of LTEC channel also want to be informed about you that you are learning English nowadays within 3 years, and you have improved yourself so much. Before, you had not much idea how to speak fluently while speaking English. Nowadays, you are gonna be a best English speaker on yourself, and you have improved yourself a lot by day by practicing a lot. So why do you feel that you have to learn English speaking?
Okay, thanks. Not suddenly I learned English. 3 years ago, I observed some of my friends, especially some of my colleagues, they learn something from Google. They apply this type of definition, this type of criteria, they are beneficial. That time I observed English is the essential for our life, especially globalization system. You collect any information, you deliver any information, English. So English is the important part of your life when you will go the abroad and you go the any important sector in our you work for any important sector in our country. English is essential. English is counted. You don't speak well, you are failed this type of important sector. So everybody need to learn English.
So for the very first time before 3 years ago, you're gonna the date of 3 years ago by which you have started your English learning journey. So what do you think when you started your first day from back to learn English? Then did you have any insult from your around society to learn this kind of activities? on English?
Okay, we are Bengali people. We are always criticize. We are always insult some people. This is our habit.
Right.
When I was started in English, started in my English. That time, my some near friends they
Yeah.
are insult to me. They are criticize to me. But this is the this type of criticize, this type of insult inspire me. I know this type of after 3 years or after 2 years, I give the better result. This type of people when I am capable to deliver the well English. Now this type of people criticizing people is still now float down, and
Yeah.
now I am capable to talking English, and I also enjoy in English.
So you're enjoying English
And
and you
here I
think
would like
that.
to say, here I would like to say when anybody start any good, especially in English, then some people definitely criticize to you. Here better is that. Better is that you always follow. Less people say something, you don't care mentality. I hope you will beneficial inshallah.
So this is the way by which you have started your journey, and you have got much more insults from your around society, but you have overcome. So can we know? Can we be informed about your process that you have after coming on a different age? Maybe not. Maybe you were a student of Russian University, and you have completed your master's degree from statistics, and from that time you were feeling that one day I will be a great, perfect, and fluent English speaker. And you are just thinking why and how and when you will start your journey. But when did you start your journey? That you started your journey. So nowadays, I wanna learn from you that people of my LTEC channel, all and everyone wants to learn from you that what is the process or what is the method by which you have started and you totally succeeded to learn English, such kind of English you are speaking right now. What was the process?
Okay, thanks. 3 years ago, when I was started my learn English, that time you already deliver. Some people criticize me, some people inside me. This is not fact. You always follow list. People say something, you don't care this. When I started, when I feel that English is the essential of our life, I study the previous grammatical rule, and I regularly read the newspaper, watch the English movie, and also watch the English news, and collect the some word, and this type of word, note this type of word, note this, and I deliver English with my colleagues. I deliver English with you also, wrong or right. First time I start to deliver English, I set up my mind. Deliver definitely I deliver in English, wrong or right. And every day I standing in front of mirror and
Yeah,
promise myself I would like to be a good English speaker. It
right.
is the one
Absolutely
point.
right. Right.
Promise myself
So from the
in front of
very
mirror.
yeah.
I hope you will succeed, inshallah.
Yeah, of course. From the very first time, we have heard that you had a lot of mistake while speaking English. People laughed at you, but nowadays you have removed by the mistaken. That means now you have become one of the fluent English speaker in this modern era, and there is a simple grammatical mistake can be shown in your speaking, and may not sometimes there's no grammatical mistake and your speaking capability and pronunciation has become fine. So what is the secret of it? Can you show, can you inform the people of our LTC channel? Because people wants to learn you from you that after coming on a different age, after trying a lot of time, how can you remove your grammatical mistake from your speaking, and how have you improved your pronunciation while speaking?
Okay, thanks. I already mentioned my speech. when you deliver your speech, you always try to fluently talking in English. Your friends, your mother, your father, and your colleague, and you listening more and more video. Especially here, I would like to say, let's talk English conversation. Here, you sometime deliver some pronunciation, especially some word by word. So follow this type of conversation. I hope your pronunciation go correctly, inshallah.
So now question is, I have heard that you have a very sweet method and a different method by which you acquiring and memorizing new vocabulary day by day. Your using style, your memorizing style, and nowadays you have acquired and memorized a lot of vocabulary in your vocabulary of your marriage. So how can it be possible that you have learned much more vocabulary within a short times? So have you any secret by which you have learned much more vocabulary? Can you show it to people or to open the secret of yourself to my people of LTC channel?
Yeah. Here firstly, here I would like to say, you standing in front of mirror and you promise yourself, I would like to be a good English speaker. This is the first point. Secondly, you read the English newspaper, here collect some word, and this word you read in one diary, and you watch the English movie. Here some word you collect, and this written the English movie, and you talking your friends. Here you collect some information, and you watch the English news. Here you collect some information, especially some words, and written this type of words. And 2 days or 3 days later, you reverse this type of words and memorize this where from you collect the words. I hope you follow this process. Your vocabulary increase day by day, inshallah.
Thank you very much. So what's your future planning with your English? How long would you want to go with this English language? Have you any milestone? Do you have any dream with taking this English language in your future?
Yeah. Firstly, I would like to say I would like to be an English good speaker, and now I follow the listening and speaking, and then I start the written and reading, and I will make a good speaker in English. And my future plan is that I will attend the IELTS exam.
Right, thank you very much. So do you want to say something about my LTC channel's audience? About my channel, do you want to say anything? Do you want to say anything about my LTC channel's audience, about my channel?
Yeah. Thanks. Here I would like to say, let's talk English conversation channel. It is the conversation type channel. Here any person, different ages person, watch this channel. He or she learn something from the channel, and how to deliver English, how to listening English, how to overcome the bad situation. Everything learned from the channel. So I request to all different ages person, please watch this channel. We are beneficial, inshallah.
Thank you very much, Mr. Zulfikar Ali sir, to come on my YouTube video, and thank you everybody to watch this video from first to last. I think you have enjoyed this video, and by this video you have learned much more thing how you can improve your English speaking. If you want to be a good English speaker, you can follow Mr. Zulfikar Ali sir and his life story, especially after coming on a different age to learn English language. If he can, you also can, inshallah. So thank you, Zulfikar Ali sir, to come on my YouTube video, and thank you everybody. If you like my video, please give a like to my like button, and please try to share this video to Messenger, to Viber, to Imo, to WhatsApp, to everywhere, so that people can learn something from this video. And please, who doesn't subscribe yet, subscribe my channel. Thank you, Zulfikar Ali sir, again, and thank you everybody.
Thank you.
Allah Hafiz.